Are you preparing for the NISM Series 5A Mutual Fund Distributors exam and want to clear it in just 15 days? If yes, then this crash course strategy is for you. It will help you prepare smartly and clear the exam in your first attempt. This certification is conducted by the National Institute of Securities Markets and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. They ensuring that mutual fund distributors have proper knowledge of mutual fund products. But the biggest mistake most students make is they study without any plan. So let's fix that with a 15-day smart preparation strategy. Day 1 to Day 5. Build strong foundation. Start with the official NISM workbook. Focus on understanding concepts instead of just reading. In these 5 days, cover mutual fund basics, types of mutual funds, structure of mutual funds, key terms like NAV, SIP, ratios and pricing units. Mutual fund scheme selection. Don't rush your goal. Focus on clarity, not speed. Day 6 to Day 10. Focus on high-weightage topics. Now shift your focus to scoring areas. Cover these important topics: risk and return concepts, taxation rules, investor services, legal and regulatory framework, scheme-related information. These topics are frequently asked and help you score quickly. Make short notes while studying. This will help in revision later. Day 11 to Day 13. Mock tests and analysis. Now comes the most important phase: practice. Start giving mock tests daily. After each test, analyze your mistakes. Identify weak areas. Revise those areas immediately. Mock tests will improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence. Day 14. Full revision day. Revise everything you studied. Focus especially on formulas, definitions, important concepts. Avoid learning anything new. Just strengthen what you already know. Day 15. Final practice. Give 1 to 2 full-length mock tests. Stay calm and confident. Remember, there is no negative marking, so attempt all questions. Final tips to clear in first attempt. Focus on concepts, not rote learning. Practice mock tests regularly. Revise multiple times. Stay consistent for 15 days. Clearing the NISM Series 5A exam in 15 days is absolutely possible if you follow a structured plan like this. If you want mock tests, revision notes, and full preparation support in affordable price, you can visit www.nismexams.in. The platform provides updated mock test papers, short revision notes, and video lectures designed to help candidates prepare effectively. Start your preparation today and take your first step toward becoming a successful mutual fund distributor.